Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Good night, good night, good night, good night, good night. It's night market night, guys. Night market night. So it's a quick pass through. Nothing too fancy tonight. It's a quick flick and zip. Understand? Quick flip and then the zip out. You know? So I'm here to collect some herbs from Yaya and then shoot out. And I'm out. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Good night, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you're watching from at any time. Hope you're having a wonderful time. Remember always to give thanks and grateful for what is it, what it is. You know? Thank you guys, thank you. So blessed love. Let's take you into night market. Just step out. You know what it just step out and step out, look what I see.
Yeah, I've been here half an hour on the phone trying to get some things in there.
Yeah.
And I just say, you know what? Let me go inside and see what's going on.
Soon as I just step out my car and I walk down, just leave Trenchtown, you know.
That's it.
And just stop right here. Yeah, I say, I'm been here half an hour. Yeah. And could have gone inside a long time. And the man literally step out as I'm walking, just before I walk past the vehicle.
Tell me like, that no power. Listen.
Me like that person look like yeah. So me I wait to see the person step out while I'm walking, see me.
And a different vehicle.
And a different vehicle as well.
Listen, bro.
Powers.
I love it, you know?
Yeah.
It just show you how things are to be when everything is right.
True.
You know, because as I say, these things we might see them as even small, but they are big because you know, it just show you how in the metaphysical realm how things are aligning and with the physical. So we have to give thanks.
Of course, and these things keep on happening.
They keep happening.
As we say, we cannot take this for granted.
We cannot. We have to pay attention and see what's, you know, what the spirits, the universe, what the creator try to show away. You know, because there are lessons in all of this. You know, real
there is
lessons.
Man, there is. Imagine that. Powers, guys. Powers.
Because I've been here and I say, yo, you know, I'm gonna go inside now and I just step out and I walk past the thing. And I know the first time this happened.
No,
it's not the first.
It's not, guys. Hey.
Here we go. You know, I'm gonna walk come in. Can we just
guys, see me tell you the powers, man. Imagine you just see me step out my vehicle, walking down the road, and as I look, it's Yaya that stepping out his vehicle. It's the powers, man.
Yeah, man. This thing, man.
Yeah. You know, one of my recipients on the program that I'm helping him marry by the father. He have diabetes as well as the sugar. So him eye go bad. You know, as them say them come with that. So him go doctor and them a plan for laser it. You know, and them a say if him laser it, him probably have to go laser it again.
And again.
You know, and again. So I say, yo, it's best to go natural. So I go ask Yaya about it when I see him. You know, if there's any remedy for it.
You know, it's disheartening more time when the tell ones, this is a path you have to walk. If you want to prolong your life, if you want to extend your life expectancy, if you want to live
a healthy,
not even say healthier, a rich and happy life, because your health is everything.
Yeah.
You know, the truth is, and this, as I said, is over the years, this is reoccurring, you know, and even in the past week and thing, we see this. You tell a man, say, choose between meat and life. Most people say, yo, them have to go, it's hard, so them have to go choose meat. So them choose death over life.
Yeah.
I'm serious, brethren. A man want a pill, he want a tonic to fix him problem, and him just continue in dirty ways. And
same way.
I tell you, and this me I to even tell the audience them, because on all platform me might find me, I gotta tell them this. I'm not selling a product. I'm not selling a product. See, I'm promoting a lifestyle.
Yes.
Because that's the only way you can change the things in your life that is hurting you. You have to change your lifestyle. And when you take these herbal tonic, they enhances the potential of you reversing and living a better life.
Yeah.
So until you can come and make up your mind and say, yo, these food, these things I've been doing, abusing my body, hurting me over years, I have to let them go now.
Yeah.
So that's where we at, and I've been trying to get my people. A man in bed, him die in bed, cancer, and you say, brother, take some bitters. Him I say, yo, it's too bitter. Him rather dead. And me I tell you, say, me witness this over and over, and they just talk me and talk.
Yeah.
See, so that's why more time, ones might call me and them I say, yo, more man, this. Me I say, hold on. See, you want this with this, and it don't work. So clean out the dirty garbage first, and then we can talk.
Yeah.
So even a person with diabetes, they have to go through the process of detoxification.
Yeah.
Detoxification. See, in a couple of weeks ago, I show you the bridge with the sore foot for over 3 years.
Yeah.
See, you have to detox, you see it heal up. You even go how much doctors. So you have to detox. I see same thing with people with diabetes. See, and if them get a cut on them foot, they can't heal. So you have to detox the body. You have to get the bitter again, it's too sweet.
Yeah.
Your body is in the insulin resistance because of what? Too much toxins, free radicals, pathogen we call them. Too much garbage. So you have to get the garbage out for your body to perform and function normally. See, so me can't, I'm not gonna be here and be a hypocrite and say, yo, just take this
and take that.
Take that. Oh, see some blood pressure and sugar normalizer tea bag here. No, I'm not gonna just sell you that. I'm gonna tell you, say, brother, have you done a detox? Went through that? So now when you take a blood pressure normalizer or a blood sugar normalizer tea bag from Yaya, it works. You start to witness your sugar going low, normal. Your pressure, whether high or low, it's getting back normal because you went through that process of getting rid of the gunk. Seeing the things that layers and layers.
Yes.
See, the same thing with even, the eye issue, the glaucoma and the cataract growing in your eye. All those issues are caused from mucus. If you don't know, Dr. Sebies will tell you, say, yo, one disease, mucus.
Yes, you might always talk about that.
And it's the key, it's the truth. Mucus, when your body is acidic, it's mucus. Why it's acidic?
Yeah.
And that's why he's saying, he always tell us, say, yo, the herbs, them, when we use is alkaline herbs, because why he's trying to he treat the body to become alkaline as fast as possible. So that's why when I say, yo, drink up your carbonate, bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate, these things are to get alkaline the piss, alkaline your body ultimately.
Okay.
Saying and take certain herbs, we use alkaline herbs in the thing. Yeah, we use some other herbs that are also not alkaline because, as I say, with the human being and so he went through so much changes, so much evolution, so much genetics modification. Certain herbs will still work and be effective, and we know these things, because we witness these things.
Yes.
But ultimately, you have to alkaline the body if you want it to function. So detoxing is the first step. And when you start detox, you feel so free, you feel so good.
True.
You feel good in the brother when you say your belly, your gut empty. I say empty from the weight where you walk around with from a day to day, apart from where you go, you eat and I go shit out later on. But you feel so light. When some people them feel so light, them don't even want to put no garbage back in them body.
Of course, God, the same thing with me, like as we say, we have to leave the meat,
You have to leave the meat dead and dead.
And me the man, me a pescatarian. I try to eat the fish, but it's like me eat the fish less.
Yes.
Like probably like if I eat the fish at one time, I eat it for the week.
Yes.
You know, and even the one time when I eat, it's like me don't want
You
to eat
still
it.
want to eat it.
You know, because I always that Ibo spice, or I run a double ice cafe. You know, I keep on eating things right through the day, and I'm drinking the smoothie.
Yeah, man, and natural juices.
Yeah, so you find out someone really have appetite for eat the fish.
No, and you take some herbal
Yes.
tinctures and them things. So yo,
Yeah, and trust me, I feel more energized. I was saying the same thing in one of my videos, like, and I said, guys, you know, from I met up with Yaya and I started to take these supplements and everything. Me as a man, I used to I take my vitamins whenever I finish eating, I to carry me through the day.
yes, sir.
But from literally me start to get this thing from you. My vitamins just put down. I don't need them anymore.
You don't need them, bro.
I've been saying that.
Yeah,
you know, I said in my video.
Your body starts absorb. Your body starts absorb nutrients, and you know if it's even better now. You can't even. I don't know if me tell it. If you make it absorb, it's a quicker way under the tongue through the sublingual. Mucosa. It's very, you know.
That's what I always put it right under the tongue.
And you say if you can hold it for all 30 seconds to a minute to 60 seconds is good.
Each time
you put a drop or you know you just hold it, man. See, and then what happens is good if you can wait a while before you even drink some water.
Okay.
See, because what happens, as I said, a lot of people them GI tract is totally in a whack. You know, and then the liver again is another issue. So these are the first organs that absorb nutrients, supplements and minerals in you know.
Usually what me do, remember we take the blood purifier first in the morning.
Yeah, man.
And before I take the dark chocolate and them stuff, me always drink a jelly water first, because I always keep jelly in my fridge.
Nice.
So I drink the jelly first, and after now I take the dark chocolate and the more and them stuff there.
Yeah, man.
You know, so that carry me just after midday or 1 o'clock before I literally eat the first thing. Yes.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes 2 o'clock before me literally eat anything.
Yo, brother, listen me, man. I hear your pattern that, you know.
Yeah.
Watch it, you know.
It's a your pattern that.
My pattern.
Sit there.
My pattern.
So, man,
Get some not even water, because through sometime if I walk out, if I go chop a jelly, maybe just go home to take them on my account, and I just take them, and then sometime I not even end up outside until an hour or two, but chop a jelly and we drink a jelly. And that's it for the, and as I say, we up in the evening.
Yes, and we up in the evening. Trust me, we up.
So, people, we are nyam too much. We need to change that.
Yeah.
If you have hypertension and diabetes, you have to cut down the nyamins, man. Go on a fast. Again, Dr. CB telling you that, you know.
Yeah.
Saying fasting ease the body. And me prove that. Saying me fast for 2 weeks. Saying and me tell you, say, yo, me feel like God himself or herself. Saying because you're so in tune, because the digestive system now work over time, so it gets time to focus on what matters. Plug into the spirits, plug in.
So Junior fasting here, because you know a lot of people here in this universe, they hear about fasting but them don't understand how it works. You know?
Fasting. Well, as I said, we can fast from many things.
Yes.
But specifically, if we are fast from food, you know, me for instance, when I do a 14 days fast, it's just straight like just your citrus water.
Yeah.
So when I say citrus water, we talk about your lemon water.
Yeah.
Saying I used to use cane juice tonight, but as I say, that is optional. With a little cayenne and that, my friend. And then now at night, I might drink a little cup of tea. Saying in the morning now, how me do it. It's a master cleanse one, this, you know. It's the one for the people who are serious about fasting.
Yes.
Saying, but, and I might drink some salt water, sea salt water in the morning now. That goes up and move everything, move all the bacteria and pathogens and worms and whatever might in your body. Make you start piss through your anus.
Okay.
Saying, but those fasting now, and so what now? So I might drink about, I would say, about a liter a day.
Of water?
Of the lemon,
the
lemon mix.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you, so the key is, you see, once you get through the first 3 days, because what happened, the body will start hallucinate on the third day. And because it used to eating. That's how the body go by, is a program, So when it's not getting the used to You know, it start ask for it, and I say wonder. So it will put you in a state of hallucination, and I say, yo, me go dead because me not eat.
Yeah.
So if you can actually will yourself now through that, after the third day, man, oh gosh, man, it's like you're walking on water.
Yeah.
You know, and it's a fast that I'm telling you. It, you know, sometimes I reach the last day and say I want to cut off. It pull me. Sometimes I want to go more because it feels so good. You know, when I come out, it's like you're in a trance.
Yeah.
You know, you have some people that do it for 3 days, but yo, you want to do it at least for 7 days, and then you feel good and just you tap into the universe, you tap into the Creator, you tap into that inner self, that higher self, and as I said, bro, you become one with all.
Yeah.
And that's the ultimate healing right there, you know.
Yeah.
That's the ultimate healing.
To become one with all.
Yeah, man. Cut off from all of the things them that keeps you captive.
Yeah.
To earth, the lower vibration.
Yes, I.
Yeah, man.
Yes, I.
Come on.
Yeah, we give thanks. Every time.
I only watch us all the reason.
Yeah.
I don't know still.
See,
I don't know,
and I saw it always happen. The second time it happened like that, right? Last time down there and here. Right, so
you want to put your thing in the vehicle?
Yeah. Yeah, come vehicle right there, so. Coming back for my doubles. Alright? One coming back for my doubles.
No, tell it Zion.
One sons. All is well. Nothing. So circle, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Sit there.
Chill, you know. So I have some sweet and sour tofu, some stir-fried bean sprout, pumpkin peas, cow peas, what you say. Yeah. And then we have some pumpkin and string bean stir-fry, see? And some red peas too. Yeah. We have salad as usual, mini combo, yeah. This is what the mini combo look like, you know?
Boy, the people them love it. Them say, Keenan, let my mouth run water when you're eating from Sun's Cafe.
That is it.
And you have wraps, right?
Yeah, man, we have wraps. Yeah, man.
Breadfruit.
Right.
You can talk truth.
That is it. Of course, 1 kilo.
Yeah. So circle.
Yes, sir.
You know, we're not supposed to like
You're right.
yeah, get what you need because it's my last day.
Oh, today last day.
December. Yeah, time up. I know. Time up. Come so fast, I can't believe it myself. It's fly.
We're heading out the country.
Yeah. I gotta do some work somewhere else. Same thing. Piss dogs, you know?
Different place.
Yeah, just love it. Yes, I've got 15 weeks of events, so I'm gonna try my best. That nice one off. You never see that before, did you? Yeah, that's a new creation. I was shocked.
What is this one?
Quartz.
Quartz.
Quartz, clear quartz with hematite. The little stones are hematite, and this is just a fluid. It doesn't change too quickly as long as you don't swim in it all the time.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's which one? The golden looking one?
They're the goldy one. This one won't change, but that one, no. You don't want it to change, you can put clear nail varnish on it and that make it last even longer.
So would you make one for me?
No, I got no more. That's my only one.
Oh, so this is
Put it on, no, bust it, man.
Nah, boss it.
If you bust it, I'll just fix it again. Don't worry yourself. Just put it on, you take too long.
No, I come to like when them stretch so much.
You don't feel.
Yeah, can't make
If it will
always
fit you, it will fit you though. It depends on if you're uncomfortable. If you're uncomfortable, it don't make no sense if you don't feel comfortable.
Empress dancing.
Watch it. Hey, I'm going back.
Empress is dancing. Welcome. 7. 7. Stephen.
What's going with you, man? Glowing.
I'm glowing.
Always. Ever glowing.
Hello.
Your skin don't work, you know?
It's a work?
Of course.
Let me look again.
Them and go little dance.
Yeah.
And everything I move. What you in the shade? She said, what you do?
I'm glowing.
Always.
I'm saying I'm glowing. She said
I'm
I'm
saying the
glowing.
funny video them in there is like glow. I'm like, what?
That's a good sign. I want the patch as well.
Patch you come for this week? Yeah. Mr.
I want more as well too.
Every kid, I use the things more than me and you right now.
Really?
Yeah, listen
Me I go hard.
to you. Go Whoa, what's that?
7. You dash with this?
Let me give it to the puppy. I was trying to get up for the phone ringing.
Yeah.
Inside, Papa. Where's the garbage bag, Sabi? What are you looking for?
1 jelly water from Grabber Belch.
You understand?
Half a Belch.
All in a jelly water.
Ice in it?
And just a little piece.
That's a little piece.
Just a little small piece.
These ones are 2,500. These ones are 3,500.
Give thanks, yeah?
Give thanks. Grabber Belch. Drink my jelly water and Walla Belch. Beautiful artwork. Bananas.
Not only carbs, I love it. There's still going to be your body heals. But coffee is good for the toning of the skin, tightens the skin. The lavender, one of my favorite ones. Yeah. Overall, they're my two favorites. We'll see what we can trade out.
Never tired, can't tired.
Yeah.
It's name never tired, can't tired. And one buckler more.
What is this fabric on it?
One of the patches as well.
Okay.
Get the patches to us.
Oh, you want a patch, right? Such a patch? Hold on.
Where is it from, you said? I booked this in Poland.
Manners.
Give me another 10 minutes and then you
Melissa.
come back with it up, alright? Yeah, man.
Empress.
Taking care of you.
Viva! Give me a buckle of spirulina. Let me mix up the roots with Medina.
Where is your
Come on, yeah?
man?
7. What? Yeah.
I know. Yeah.
Sure. Row. What's going on? Them lock up?
Just a close, one catch.
Come up. Let me say, just come arrive for a meeting. Come in the close early. In there. Guys, disappointment. A disappointment. Veggie Campus is closed. Where I usually get my vegan food, that is closed. Closed. So what I'm gonna do, I know there's a spot not far from here on Lady Mos Road where literally I can walk there. So I'm just gonna walk and see if that place still opens. You know, see if I could get something in there. Can't bother to go home to go and cook now. I would have go and cook some black beans, but I can't bother to go home and cook. You know, I want something right now. So I'm literally walking on Lady Mos Road now. So let me go check and see if that spot is open. Over there you sell rocks over there. So guys, so this is Lady Mos Road off Hope Road. You know, so I'm just gonna try my luck. And hopefully that place is still open. You know, I don't remember the last time I got there, but I know I went there last time to get some vegan food. So hopefully it's still open, but if not, I probably have to just go home to go and cook. Yeah. I have to go and cook. That's the case right now. And it looks like it was too. Oh, there's a gate to go around the back. Hello. Close? Close?
What are you looking for?
Food.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright. Oh, it's a hostel with coffee and bar. Basically, it's closed as well. So I guess I have to go home and cook. You know, I go cook up some black beans. Yeah. Some black beans, make some crush with it as well to boil sweet potato with Irish and pumpkin. Crush them together with the black beans on the side and boil 2 bananas. So if you never try that's one of my special way of doing my crush. I boil the pumpkin with the sweet potato and that. Alright guys, so I have a way or sometime I will cook my my black beans, and I make the black beans separate. So what I will do, I'll boil some Irish, I'll boil some sweet potato, you know, and pumpkin, and crush them together, you know, crush them together, and then boil some bananas as well to put on the side with my black beans, you know, and fry a bit of plantains. So that's what I have to go home to go and do, and just call it a day. You know, start it a day, quick and fast. So, and then after now, I'll start to do some editing, to edit my videos. So I guess that's the best way for me right now. Even though I never want to go down that route, but I have to go and do that one. So yeah. So I'm still not starved. At least I can cook to feed myself. Eh? Which one? Alright guys, so sorry about that. I was speaking to someone. So I guess I have to go home and cook. So that is it guys. So stay tuned. Go home and cook myself some food. So well. Blessed love God, blessed love. Yeah. So today's a road run. Hey, I'm here at Living Foods. Come to get the living food. You know, the live food at Living Foods. Hello. Gary, hello, good day.
You know that there's my father's
Good day. Yeah, how is everything?
Yeah, I'm just tired.
You tired?
Everything tired, I'm just tired.
You know, I forgot to take the energy stuff then, man.
No, I'm just one. Ooh, I have white mama chocolate cheesecake and the give a seed. Oh my gosh. Ooh. You know, I'll leave there.
Which one? She call you?
Girl, I didn't see that I have this cake leave. The white mango chocolate cheesecake, I'm going to love that. It is, as his mother said, he likes white chocolate, but the sweetness of the mango and the sea moss on it. I didn't see that I have it.
Guys, so I'm here to pick up my black beans burger, which is my jerk burger, and I'm serving a smoothie.
White mango chocolate cheesecake.
Serving a smoothie.
You probably eat it, you're probably eat it. I did run it before,
Yes,
Oh,
guys.
Peanut, what's happening?
No?
Oh,
You ready?
yeah, man.
Alright. Yes guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. I'm looking at my shields. I hope you have a wonderful day anywhere you are. Thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. You know, I hope you have a blessed one. Thank you so much guys, trust me. It's been nothing but love and love alone. You know, love conquers all. We always say that love conquers all. You know, so I'm just grabbing my lunch. This is my lunch, guys. It's lunchtime. So grabbing my lunch, then I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna head out to go pay my Wi-Fi bill. And today I'm gonna definitely run a quick service on my vehicle again. You know. Yeah, give me the smoothie. Oh. You think it run away? Going nowhere. See, you lock your hand in at the door. You're that tired.
See, it's a while ago, yes, like half of my finger.
You're that tired.
Today's not the half, you know?
Yeah, because I see you've
You know,
turned
when
to
you
today.
find some time and come, I could do a thing.
Sure, I'm ready, man. Ready.
When, not today, when time I'm tired. This week, you can't come this week?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I could do a thing. Because I'm now doing testimonials on the business. So if you come and I've had a burger you like, we want you to give your true testimony on it if it's true.
Yeah.
So I want like a videos of testimony.
Alright.
But I really want you to come and try like our new stuff. Like we have a Kino spread.
Yeah.
And we do like a whole table of stuff.
Kino spread.
Kino spread.
Wow.
Kino, hello. Like every week people come.
Yeah.
Every week people come and say Kino. So if I one way we can say thank you.
Yeah.
You understand?
You hear that, guys? They have the Kino spread. Wow.
Kino spread. So that's probably like a 7-course meal.
You hear that? Kino spread. So guys, you know, come on even more. You know, make the ratings go up even more. You just change your name to Living Kino Food. Yeah. Keep Yeah, man, alright, I got choose. Which day you think would be the best day for you? Let me see how my schedule look. Since it was a day off.
Friday look.
Friday? Alright, Friday. Yeah, we can do Friday.
Yeah,
Friday seems like it can work.
Friday morning would be nice.
Yeah. Yeah, man, Friday seems like it can work then. Jump out Friday then, yeah.
Yeah, that would be nice.
What time?
10 o'clock sound good. You wake up by then, not true?
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah, but 10 o'clock is Friday.
So we can reach 11, it's okay.
Alright.
I will try to come on. I'll set my alarm for earlier, so hopefully I don't end it
So
too
what
late.
is your favorite, what was your favorite living food and juices meal?
The meal, you know, I've been having the jerk burger, the spirulina bun, you know.
So I have to
Yeah.
swipe, right?
Yeah. So it's been the jerk burger for me, guys, with the spirulina bun, you know. I haven't tried anything else since I've been here. Yeah. It's
Do you
like,
ever try a meal?
no meal, nothing. It's like when I come here, no, I've tried a cake one time. I remember, yeah, the cake is good as well. I got a habit of stick to one thing.
And it's not you alone, it's most of our clients like
Yeah.
into your kitchen.
Till when time our mind say you can change now. You know. But I always like that guy. Like I always stick to one thing until when time my mind's alright, you know, try something else. You
So
know?
it's a one burger?
One burger me always stick to.
Alright, I think I know what I'm going to do. I'll probably do some mini burgers so you
Yeah.
taste all the burgers
Alright
that we
then.
have, yeah.
Yes. Because I know those stuff on one. So that when I always taste so good, I'm going to say, no, I'm not change it yet.
Well, then you can make up your mind if you want to change or you want to stick to it. Because we're going to do a spread where like we do the mini ones, so you can try them across the board.
Alright then, that sounds good. That sounds good.
Yeah, so I'm going to start the preparation for it.
Alright
And
then.
Friday morning, 10:30.
10:30.
No, later than that.
Alright then, so I'm
Yeah,
going to open up the appetite. I'm ready for
So
that.
in that case, you probably don't even want to eat Thursday evening.
Yeah, so wake up well hungry.
You wake up hungry. Alright?
No problem. Alright, thank you. Take care. Yeah, man. Alright then, bless. Alright guys, so I'm saying living food is also a spot of mine. You can check them out on Instagram as well too. You know, living food and juices, plant-based cuisine. It's up here in Pavilion, you know, Lane Plaza. What am I talking about? Yeah, in Lane Plaza. So, you know, we always give the promotion to the good thing is, and this is the contact number 876-857-7887. You know, so you can come on down, guys. Give them a call. You know, then do everything, then detox and everything for the body as well too. And then do your shots and everything. So it's a healthy place. Healthy living, we're promoting the healthy things then. The good things then. Alright guys, so let me show you what it looks like. So this is the jerk burger. So you see, this is the jerk burger made of black beans, you know, and everything. So I'm not giving the whole recipe, but as you can see, you know, so that's the quinoa spread that you see on it as well too. Everything here is all vegan. So the bun is turmeric bun. That's the reason why you see it so yellow, because it's made of turmeric. So so you know, me always try to show you guys the healthy stuff anyway, the healthy spot is where you can also check out. So living food in Lane Plaza. So there you go, guys. So I'm gonna feast at the road and do the rest, and you can stay with me on my journey. So blessed love. Yeah, so let me go pay this internet bill, because you know I have to have the Wi-Fi up so you guys can always get your daily program. Because if I don't have the Wi-Fi, how am I gonna upload? I can't upload. You know, so this is the big floor. So this is the big building floor. It's kind of windy today. It's windy. Alright, let me try this wind cancellation and see how it sounds. See? Oh. Alright, so wind cancellation on. So I'm trying to win cancellation to see what. But this is the floor building right here. Big building where them collect all of the big money then for your internet bills. So guys, I might alright, so I'm gonna take off about win cancellation of flow. Yeah. Alright guys, so that's already started quick and fast, you know, internet not cutting off, you know, so I'm up and running. So Jamaica bright, sunny and nice. That building over there is Pegasus Hotel that you're looking at. So we're in literally New Kingston. Emancipation Park is just behind this Housing Trust building. So that's the Housing Trust building right there, the National Housing Trust. Okay, let's go. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Alright, guys. So imagine this must be a coincidence. I don't know. Hope it's not real. You know, because you probably see what I'm going from the title. So obviously me, Esther, and Boom. You know, we here. So we have Esther here, and we have Boom running at the back there. And we're here heading into Spanish Town because I got a donation for Gracie, and I did want to do some follow up on if you do a scan yet or how's everything going. You know, but on our way, you know, Esther got a call. You know, Esther got a call while I run away going to Spanish Town to see Gracie, saying that one of the blind brothers them passed away. You know, so we're not sure. You know, but that's the news that break. You know, cause Esther here, she got the phone call. You know, it's like them smell the rat say we are Esther head over there, but for some reason she got the phone call. So the person then died about what, 2 days?
2 days ago.
Oh, 2 days ago. But I don't receive any phone call from Orlando. Yeah, as yet. You know, or anyone from over there. So not sure. You know, just hoping. You know, that's not the case. You know, sometimes it's identity, you know, because someone tell the person that tell Esther.
Yes.
Because that person always
watch your
watch
program.
my program.
And see them funny. So
Yeah.
them say, them call me and say, and somebody show me name and then say, always I watch Keno and I tell him say one of the blind brother died, one named George. I said nobody named George. He said, oh no, Charles. I said yes, Charles. So it's not so. Hope a mistake.
Yeah, so we going in not knowing, you know, so I haven't phoned none of them because we already on our way. I was going there to see Gracie. You know, most time it's always a donation I receive, so I can literally go and visit them because Trenchtown to Spanish Town is a bit distance away. Like it's literally probably about 10 miles. Let me see. It's probably about past 6 miles. We're 2 miles, so probably about 10 miles from Trenchtown to Spanish Town. Yeah, so it's probably about 10-11 miles. So we don't often come over here still. So hopefully, you know, that's not the case, you know, because I'm say the son, him don't phone me, and Gracie, She don't phone me as well to let me know anything. So hopefully the process that decided because him say him watch my program and him started on it, and he's also from Spanish Town as well too. You know, so let's see and hope it's not the case, guys. So hope it's not the case. So we're heading in there blind to the story. So I'm praying that's not the case. You know, because imagine that guy will literally just lose our chef mom, you know, the other day. Before that we lose Ali mom as well too. You know, which is what last year.
Ali mom?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, she wasn't last year.
Last year?
Yeah. She buried in January.
January, yeah.
Yeah, so it was last year. So hopefully that's not the case with one more of our recipients. Them passed away, you know, through health issue, you know, siblings, guys. So that's why we have to really take care of our health, because you know when time we get in age it get even worse, you know. So you have to start from now to literally like take care of your health. If you never used to be a health freak, trying to be like as healthy as you can start doing so, because later on in life it does play a part, you know. Yeah, you know, it does play a part. So when you're trying to recover from certain problems, it's going to be hard, you know. Because one thing, you know, in life, we always, once we have life, we have like 1,000 problems, so many problems. But once you get sick, you have a bigger problem, because the sick come knock away all those problems we have before. Because the sick, you have to make sure so you sort out that health, because from that sickness you know what that can lead to, you know. So that becomes the main problem. We have all the problems, the physical problem, other problem, but once you get sick, that becomes the main problem. So we have to always try to prevent that, you know. We always try to prevent that. So I'm praying that's not the case right now, you know. Because if him say Charles, then you know Charles is the one that always lie down in the bed, and him always sickly mostly than Patrick. Patrick always the one that always sitting in the wheelchair, and him said the one in the wheelchair, right?
Yeah.
So you see, and then now Patrick in the name Charles, and he always in the wheelchair, and Patrick are the one always more vibrant and up. Charles are always in the bed. He's more bedridden than Patrick. So let's see, guys. Let's see. So we're not sure. So hopefully it's a false alarm, and we can all laugh about it, you know, and say yes, it wasn't so. So let me see what I got. Mommy. Are you say your old foot?
Yeah.
They say can't call you.
No, I'm just coming there.
Maybe it's some more there. Alright, so we just reached here in Spanish Town, so we're going to stop by at Gracie first. I don't know if anything Gracie will give us the news. So then if anything, I will just head down to see Orlando to see what I'm going. You know, pool. General.
Yes, sir. Great.
Are you?
Yes, sir.
I know you.
Yeah.
Are you?
Yes, man.
I know you. Afternoon, sir. Hey, what's up? How you doing?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Man, tell us how me. Mm-hmm.
God of his mercy, what one thing?
There, man, how is everything?
When me there, me one thing I made back here kill me.
Now, head back.
Yeah, all of the last night it away, but I'm asleep.
Yeah.
This
I know me.
come.
Yeah. See, let me make your husband massage it for you.
God of mercy.
I went there now, doing duty.
You don't know, say, but
How is the husband there?
I don't know where he gone.
Oh, you don't know where I'm gone?
No, sir.
See, the husband around there, so.
No, I know him.
And are you?
I want food.
I want food.
God of his mercy.
Mm-hmm. Nikisha, how is everything?
Fine.
How is your tablet?
Good, you need to fix up.
Still need to fix up?
She want to register.
Oh, I should want an email.
Somebody will have the internet registered.
So you have internet here? You have wife?
But no, I no legal, so.
Still work.
Excuse me. No, you can't, you know, if you ask for register, you have to have a number. I mean, I have no number. I scan, somebody scan, you want to feed scan, give me. And I give him a change in one time.
Okay.
You don't know how you get it? But and you know, so strong like that every minute, you know, which sometimes it up, sometimes it don't.
Oh.
So, I get
How the food?
the food and they have one, me not kill me. Come in and complain, so I still give God thanks for at least I can try one.
Yeah.
But he said, what me just attack because water. God have his mercy.
So all the checkup and everything are going?
It will go on, you know, if you go to back one tomorrow again.
Tomorrow?
Mm-hmm. You know, every minute they must say we go do this and so.
So the one where they want the money for the what, you don't do that here?
Yeah.
Oh, you do it already?
Mm-hmm. Come if you go do one similar one to it.
Oh, so you don't get the result yet?
Not get the result yet.
Oh. So when them say before you get the result?
3 days time.
Oh, 3 days time?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, you just go do it?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah, because you see the taxi fare and all this, you know, we go for a doctor already, you know, again, go back again and taxi fare and those sweep well could change them here.
Oh, okay.
So you just have to just go and humble. Let me tell you, say God is a good God, you know. I can't observe him because without him, I don't know make a mind. But this headache, man, this headache, right back here, so come right at the head front, so.
Happy,
Right in that, it's hurt me bad. When I left, because I think about the test I'm going to do tomorrow.
Mm-hmm. So what type of test that you're going to do tomorrow?
Yeah, so I'm saying that almost the same thing I'm going to do first.
Okay.
The machine where them are put in is scary.
Oh, it's scary. Like one little chamber.
Like I want couple.
And couple.
And the radiation and all this, they kind of have my brain away.
Okay.
But I have to do it somewhere or the other. And if I become I think about it, make the kid that hurt me.
Oh.
But to God be the glory, huh?
Of course.
All great things you have done. Without God, we don't know it will work out really.
Yeah, I have one donation here for you. Some of those. So I first buy come drop it off.
Okay. I'm so grateful.
Yeah.
Very much grateful. I say every time, I notice every time I pray, I pray special. Feed one of them are you. If I'm not 2 days or 3 days after, you can always come. So I make a second time.
You pray on them?
Yes,
and
man.
I arrive.
And just arrive, so. God is good.
Since your prayer works.
Yeah, man, nothing beat prayer, nothing at all beat prayer. I don't understand the headache and the normal.
Okay. Alright then, so this is from let me see the name. Ivan from Florida. This is 7,500 here for you. From Ivan from Florida.
Ivan from Florida. Thank you very, very much. May the Lord bless you. Keep you, guide you, and protect you. For this $7,500. This is gonna go a far, far way.
Yeah.
Happy to get it.
So
Me no wonder when me forgot to do the test and the fasting test. Me no wonder say when me go get something to eat. After me do the test, so God good. God is on time, God. Our time and this time are two different time.
yeah, after that have faith.
Yes, we have to just live with faith and trust God.
So the brothers them good?
You know, so me don't know if them good enough because the brother, the son no communicate with me. Me thinking about them, I mean, I have the number, me have the number. I mean, I know the first one, I did have much up with it. So me can't call to find out. She have one auntie will check me almost every day. Auntie no mentally disturbed, she always check me for food. She always tell me, say them ask me.
Okay. I'll pass and check them and
Yeah,
see
man.
if all is well.
May God bless all the donors, me pray for no hard. Because without them, I don't know how to manage to test them or something. I go through. But the other one, the church I without the one I do now. The last one I do now.
Okay. Alright then, so just keep us posted and make you know what's
Yeah,
going on.
man, yeah, man, yeah, man.
Yeah?
Make you know what's going on, man, yeah, man.
Alright then,
Give
go on.
thanks.
Go and take it easy.
Alright.
Yeah.
And keep up the good work.
Yeah man, I will.
Me soon, me end one with the rivers, but no river.
Oh, the river.
My moon, man, I could not get.
A long time I go river
A
though?
long time I no go river go swim, man. I can't swim, man. A long time I no go river, I can't manage it. Can't manage it ups and down again. But if I get in the water, I don't put them out. You have to tell you which one would I like to go?
Which one?
The one where down the country have the warm water.
Oh,
You
St.
can
Thomas.
light it. You can light and
Oh, that's St. Anne's.
yes, moon man,
Right.
somebody could have sponsor. I would have glad. Me just have the feeling, say I go down there. Me I get healing. Me just have that feeling there. When they put them, I beat out to put to them some of their water there. I say, but they take money, man. We give thanks. I'm blessed. What's your name
Ivan.
again? Ivan, yeah, my sister name. My sister wanna pay me no mind. But me still love her same way. May God bless you and you get increase where this coming from. May God bless your hand. And bless all of the donors, all them we have in mind we give and not give yet. Or have in mind we give and not have it. God bless all of you. May God bless you and keep you and guide you and protect you. And bless up yourself, Pina, big up yourself.
Yeah man.
Just continue. Hold on and changing and God love you. Because the work you do, if it wasn't God, you would not do it.
Yeah, that is it.
If it was yourself alone, you would not do it. But God put you here for a purpose and you have to fulfill the purpose.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah,
So we give thanks because without you, the donor them couldn't know me. You know, so enough wishes, blessing, and good health and strength to continue to go and help the poor and needy.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright then, give thanks, yeah?
Yeah, man. Thank you very much.
Nikisha, high five. Take care, okay?
Yeah, turn it down. You love watching it.
Oh, the dog.
You just say high five. The dog go like you said.
Yeah. You have the dark sense.
No, man. It dark sense. In just dog and finesse, you know. If you treat them good, them stuck to you.
Yeah.
And then no matter the years they left them, you know.
I still remember
They
you.
still remember you, man. You feed up to the command dog. I say, if a man ever hurt a strand a year in a day, in your head, the dog is said kill you. Because you're just a people's person.
Yeah.
Up to the command, who no love you, who no ban it. Who no love
And when
you,
them
who
born, them are going to love me.
and when the other another band in the belly, them a love you. Because you do a good work.
Alright then.
Yeah, man.
So I'm going to check in and see them.
We're not here
Alright.
from D-Mango.
A good while now.
D-Mango color short we get married to one white man, a man. Me love her. Me love the whole family of them. Why me love her? she take care of her appearance. That me love her for.
Yeah.
No where she do kindness and she do but all the reason why me really love her. Me wish my children could be like her in a fair space. Take care, you know, give the roses while when you're dead, while you're alive, she just give them what she have.
Yeah.
And that me love her for.
That's true.
Yeah man, take care of your parents while your parents are alive because you know my mother dead from age 3, you know.
Oh.
As for that reason, me no mother to all of that. That's why I say pay her mother then when she had 2. So my ask the Lord to give me the strength to make you pass the worst that you can pass it. And when you know the mother you go through, you know. 29-year-old man go kill man. People man kill him. My God, you see him dead. Then kill him and he put him dead. Where something God do it. Then the man they come like he's sick in the brain, you know. He's not normal. They shouldn't kill him. They should have put him in a prison for rest and life and put him under hard work. And all of the sibling, and all of the sibling, and all of the people, the mother, the father and the sister and brother, and make him work, only give him food, feed, work. All the wages come to his family. And that they should have done. Because, listen me, you have to find it in it's hard still, you know, it's hard. You have to have a God fear in to really think them kind of way. Because when the revenge and company money, they get desperate wicked. But God said we forgive 77 times 7. And no matter what person do you have to forgive them. But him no. No, he should have be a walk and bear some breed of pain. Feel the pain where parents are bearing. He know dead no good, not too good for him. And the dead he not get no punishment. He walk and go through some pain. Every day he pick out one toenail. They punish him. Yes man. He make you under pain. I feel the pain with the mother. And the people them will love each child I go through.
Alright then Grace, go and hold it up, yeah?
Yes man.
So we catch up. Nikisha?
Alright.
Alright then, take care. Alright.
Alright, Miss Gracie.
Yeah, yellow card for me.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright then, remember if you massage her neck here, yeah?
You know, you wouldn't myself, so she want to go river.
But you want to go river, yeah?
River Sierra run.
If river see a river run?
Yeah.
Wait there.
Big wheel a come.
Yeah. Yeah, and your husband.
No, not this man a truth. No. No, sir.
Him said no, sir.
River come, River Sierra run, tell us that big wheel a come.
Yes, sir. You have a comedian husband. Yes, sir. Alright, guys. So, this is like, well, Gracie, you know, we never want to say anything, you know, because basically then she's not aware. So, hopefully, it's a fake news, you know, because from she not mention anything, so I never mention anything to her, say I hear this and I hear that. So, just let me go check for myself and see if if it really goes so. You understand? I really want to know for myself. Ah, good day.
Boom, we get baby.
Yeah. Hello.
Should I run, man? You want
Well, Grace, you don't know anything.
Yeah, she has to a good one now. She not.
Yeah. Orlando? Where I go on?
Hello, sir. You didn't call me.
No, I never call you.
Oh, come here, sir. I have a phone here.
Eh?
Just come across that town.
Okay.
Yeah.
Everything good.
Have visitor.
I'll turn the music a little bit there.
Yeah.
That's going like a fake news, you know.
Yeah.
See? Nothing go so.
Kilo dream team.
I imagine. Where I go on, Patrick? You asked me this morning? Yeah.
One.
There, man, I pass through, man.
Everything
alright. Everything alright.
Alright.
See me on ya. Everything alright.
Right, so yeah.
Yeah.
So,
And Charles, Mr. Charles.
Oh dear.
Charles, everything good?
Why no one is present there? Or you have to give thanks.
Yeah.
Good or worse.
Could have worse, of course.
Obviously better with dead person.
Mm-hmm.
Better or worse. You have to give thanks to you.
Yeah,
You want to see your wife?
Me not married.
that question the man was saying like. Yeah.
Me not married.
You have to look in the door.
Yeah.
You're not married anymore.
Yeah. All kids, man. So you know, say I come over here, Orlando.
Yeah.
Come check Gracie, come here, come give her something.
Okay.
So literally while I'm on my way coming,
yeah.
you know, Esther get a phone call. Cause you know somebody working at the hospital.
Yeah.
And I say, I'm gonna live over here, watch your program.
Yeah.
You know, say him see the brothers them pan it. And say the one at the wheelchair died 2 days ago.
One of the wheelchair.
Yeah.
Well, if I mix up.
I must mix up
The brothers them are somebody living at the area.
Somebody living at the area. Go to the hospital because they know somebody when them sleep on the program and I tell them say one of the blind brothers then dead. This a while I'm on my way. Yeah, I come see Gracie. So that's why I say, but all I need to call me and let me know how I go on.
I trick them, I try to trick you, man.
Not trick.
I don't mix
news.
up
Yeah.
somebody else with somebody.
Somebody did that.
Yeah. I run news. Because I say, yo, all I need to call me. At least
I make you have an idea.
Because I say to Gracie and ask her, how's the brothers them? And she I say, how good do I know she not see them already? So if I'm not here, she say anything, you know, nothing no go so. So I say, I come here, come check it,
out.
where really I go on. Because I say, all I need to call me. Because the person was 2 days ago.
Somebody else.
Look like one of them.
Yeah, because people favor people, no?
Yeah.
So I just saw the mix up could I go on.
Fake news, guys. I'm so
Yeah.
I'm so happy. It's a fake news. You know? Nothing no go so. That's a good thing, you know, sometimes you know you have to make sure you go and see for yourself.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to run with the narrative and go here say yo, nothing no go so. Like my brother said, Eric, nothing no go so. Nothing no go so at all. Nothing no go so. The brothers them is here and everything is alright. Patrick is the one in the wheelchair. And first him said the one in the wheelchair. See that? Hey. And Patrick in the wheelchair, is not Charles in the wheelchair. So them is the wrong identity.
Yeah.
And a phone time yet. No way at all. And that's why I say I snap by because I Gracie me that come see.
Yeah.
So I say I just turn up because that's why you see me not call you. Because I say, you know what, I just want to turn up to your
what is the truth or whatever.
Yeah, because a while me and my way, you get this. So I say I'm glad it's not the case though. Alright?
Yeah man, yeah.
Alright then.
Alright.
Patrick.
No, them a show us them a pass through, then come check Gracie based on them here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm making give them one.
Eh?
No man, unexpected. They never planned for come and that them explain. You don't understand the explanation? They never planned for come directly to
Next
you.
year come.
Yeah. Next week. Yeah? Alright then. Charles!
Yeah,
take care, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah man, tell about fake news.
Alright.
Charles Vice.
Yeah man,
Charles Vice strong, yeah.
Alright.
Guys, I'm glad to nothing no go so. Because I say, wait, Orlando that call me.
And you have to call the phone if you get missed.
Yeah, me even check my phone if you get missed call. Yo, come here check on my phone. I'm saying, look if Orlando call me. And I realize, I'm not getting no missed call from you. So me under, what is? No, sir. Wrong information, Insta. Call back the sender, tell them say you're. Yeah.
The man will tell her she has to probably to somebody favor him or something. She say the dialysis in the car, probably I'm good at like mine.
I'm good at mine then.
Yeah, brain, them do dialysis, so you know.
You want to see I rush come find out. Yeah, so we can laugh about it now. I see thing I say, you know. We can laugh about it.
Them called foolishness, you know. Them people, you know, dialysis, a part of it.
Alright guys, let me tell you, nothing like that. So happy. Come and say, wait there. One more after we just lose Roche's mother and this and that, and she even buried it. You know? Yeah, so Fake news, guys. Fake
You know, them
news.
happy and life.
Yeah. Fake news, guys. Fake news. So yeah. So blessed love. You know everything goes. All right then. Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.